Credit during COVID. What the heck is going on? I'm dconnors from Mortgage One, and everywhere you turn, it seems that there's a video or there's information on lending guidelines changing on credit scores during COVID. And that is just not true. That's not the case at all. What's happened is lending guidelines have stiffened up personal bank-to-bank lending guidelines and says that we aren't going to lend unless your credit score is 660 or 680 or 700 or 640. But that is not a direct conventional guideline. That is not a direct FHA guideline. Credit scores with conventional loans are still lending up to 620 credit scores, and FHA guidelines says that there isn't a credit score requirement. However, you may not get an approval, your interest rate might be higher, you might have points and fees, it may not be worthwhile, or the lender that you're working with may not be able to do your loan at all because their personal guidelines have changed. But the truth of the matter is lending guidelines or direct loan guidelines for Fannie Mae, FHA, Freddie Mac, VA has not changed at all. Only what the lenders are willing to receive in their loan bank and their loan pool for different loans. And it has to do with the risk probability. What's the probability of default? If I have a 600 credit score, the probability of me defaulting on the loan is 1 of 8. If my credit score is 801, it's 1 out of 1,292. So that is myth number one. Credit scores have not changed for the guidelines directly. Number two, forbearance on loans will have an impact on your credit, even though you're being told that it's not going to be marked late 30, 60, 90 days during forbearance. There are notes on your credit report under that creditor that says forbearance proceedings have begun or currently in forbearance, something to that effect, and that is affecting credit scores. I have a client that watched their credit go from 670 with Credit Karma down to 580 with Credit Karma. Credit Karma is not the authority on credit, by the way, but they see the decline due to the forbearance notes. I can say this for certain. We will know that you've been in a forbearance, and it will have some ramifications. What those ramifications are not known yet, but it will be on your credit report as long as you have that credit item open on your credit. And the third thing you should know is those PPP loans. If you're a small business and you're applying and have gotten a PPP loan, it will show up on your personal credit as an inquiry. So what we're seeing is those small business owners that have applied for a PPP loan, it has showing up as a credit inquiry on your personal credit report. So that means that if you're looking to purchase a home or refinance on your personal credit, we need to know what happened with that PPP loan. Did you take it out? Did you just have an inquiry? And if you did take out the loan, what are the terms of that repayment? So we need to know that because it's part of your debt to income ratios and part of your business, and it all will intertwine together. So is lending getting done? Yes, absolutely lending is getting done for sure. And you need to know that there are different requirements depending on which lender that you go to. So if you're looking to refinance or purchase and you have questions, reach out to me. I can help you if you're in the state of Michigan, Ohio, Florida, and many other states. This is Dawn Connors with Mortgage One. Thank you.